Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. This week we're making homemade popsicles for you and your kids. I've been loving making these popsicles for my toddler during these summer months because they are so refreshing, easy to make, and best yet, they're good for you. I'll be sharing 5 different recipes, so then there's something for everyone to enjoy. It's the perfect treat with loads of hidden veggies and no added sugars. Frozen fruit and vegetables are picked at the height of their season, and they're super affordable. Also, you can keep them frozen for quite some time. But before I start, use your best judgment, and if your child has any food allergies, swap out whatever is best for your child. What I love about these popsicles is that you can give it to your child even for breakfast with zero guilt. Actually, you'll want to give your child these every single day. While filming this video, I used generic popsicle molds from the dollar store or from Amazon, but I really wanted to show you these new ones that I got that are so beautiful. They're silicone, and look at this, how cute is that? The paw print and the smiley face. And this one has the little pineapple, the toucan, and the watermelon. And then this one has the generic ones and then the cupcake. And then these have lids, and they're silicone, and they come with plastic sticks as well that you place in the holes. And they just stack up so nicely in your freezer, and they don't take up too much room. And they're the perfect size for the kiddos. Just like that. The kids get really excited for these, and the best part is that it looks like you put a ton of effort without changing anything at all. I'll put the link to all my popsicle molds in the description box below.
For my first popsicle, I like to call it the Green Monster. I'm using organic coconut water, but you can substitute with regular water or milk. I have fresh kale, though frozen is fine too. I'm going to add some pineapple and 1 frozen banana. Place all the ingredients in the blender and then add some coconut water to help blend it all together. This popsicle is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as a great source of calcium and potassium. After blending it until smooth, I add it to my silicone popsicle mold. I love this one, though I lost the 4th popsicle stick, but that's okay. Put it in your freezer overnight or until they are frozen solid. This popsicle is so refreshing, it tastes almost like a pina colada, but for kids. Perfect for summertime. Watermelon popsicle with a twist. I've got some seedless watermelon. I left some rind on it since it's rich in fiber, a Roma tomato, frozen berries, and if you have extra time, kiwi. Only blend the watermelon and tomato together until smooth. If your watermelon isn't the sweetest watermelon and your child is older than 1, you can add a touch of raw honey. Next, strain your mixture for a smoother consistency without the pulp. Run a spoon or spatula over it to get all the liquid out. Pour into your popsicle mold 3/4 the way up, keeping room for some frozen berries. If you're not feeling the kiwi, you can fill them up to the top and then add the plastic sticks to the molds. Because I'm going to be adding kiwi puree later, I am putting aluminum foil and wooden sticks for easy access. You'll see what I mean in a little bit. First, I'm going to blend some kiwi and store it in the fridge until my popsicles are frozen solid. Now that they are frozen solid, I'll add my kiwi puree to the top and reuse the aluminum foil. These turn out so cool and super refreshing on a hot day. This mango chia is my daughter's favorite. I'm adding coconut water, frozen mango, fresh is even better for this one, but you can do a mix of both, frozen cauliflower florets, and some chia seeds. Blend everything together so you have a smooth puree consistency. Add more coconut water if needed. Cauliflower is such a great addition to this popsicle to get that thick and creamy consistency, and it has little to no taste at all. Your kids will never know. Place the puree in your popsicle molds and freeze overnight. This popsicle is refreshing, creamy, and healthy with added vitamin C, K, and folate. And the chia seeds give it that added protein and fiber. Another loved recipe in my house is this berry date popsicle. I have a mix here of frozen berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. I'm adding some frozen cauliflower to make it creamy, 3 dates for natural sweetness, some flax seeds, and plain whole milk Greek yogurt. Combine all the ingredients and blend until smooth. Pour it into your popsicle mold and freeze overnight. This popsicle is so yummy and its color is so vibrant and appealing. It is nutritious with an excellent source of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. And finally, this next combination is one of my favorites, since you can freeze them for popsicles or drink it as a smoothie. To start, I have frozen spinach. This is a wonderful superfood. I have here fresh honeydew melon, some frozen peach slices, a frozen banana, and whole milk for easy blending. Again, combine all the ingredients and blend until smooth. Sometimes we like to call this one the Hulk popsicle since it's super green and it makes it more exciting for the kids. If you don't have a popsicle mold with a lid, I'll show you a hack with aluminum foil to keep the sticks in place. This popsicle mold is from the dollar store. Since they are plastic and not silicone, it's harder to get them out, but I just run some warm water on the bottom to loosen them a little and then pull them out slowly. You can twist them slightly if that helps. Back to the aluminum foil tip. Gently poke a hole at the top so the stick can go all the way through. And that's it. Freeze upright overnight.
All of these popsicles can be stored in the freezer for 2 to 3 months, and what I like to do once the popsicles are frozen solid, I'll take them out of their molds and I'll put them in a large Ziploc bag. That way I can reuse my popsicle molds and I can grab a popsicle when needed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like these. I hope you guys give these 5 recipes a try, and if you do, please let me know in the comments section. I'll put all the recipes in the description box below as a reference. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye, Mama.